Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to store and save a point in MicroSurvey's FieldGenius for Android. So what I've done is I've got this project open, I've set up my coordinate system, I've paired to my receiver, and if you want to know how to do that, I will link to a video in the top right corner. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the survey option here in my main menu. That's going to bring me to my map screen. And from my map screen, what I'm going to do in the bottom right corner where it says RTK fixed, I'm going to click on that. That's going to bring open my measure menu. And you can see here my solution, satellites, and PDOP are all within my tolerance, which you can set when setting up your rover. And my real-time status is accepted. In my case, I took an average of 3 points. You can set this to whatever you want using those aforementioned tolerances. But in my case, I've got my real time set to accepted, and my horizontal and vertical standard deviation are both within tolerance. So I can go ahead and hit store position here to save my position, which is then going to bring me to my new point menu. And you can see here, I already stored a point previously in this project. It had point number 2. My feature code here is blank, and I'm going to set that to my second option here, anchor. And you can see if I scroll down here, I've got northing, easting, elevation, my antenna height, which I set before this video, and I measured up properly on my hemisphere, S631. And what I'm going to do is if I hit save, that's going to save it to my map screen. And you can see here, if I select point number 2 and edit this point, it's going to have all that information that I just stored. You can see that feature code, and my northing, easting, and elevation are the same of what I just stored. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you store a point using MicroSurvey's FieldGenius for Android. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.